Today we are bringing to you the latest updates concerning the Ekwulobia flyover construction. Yes, you can see the beams are almost ready. The concluding part of the beams is where they are, signifying that in a very short period of time they will start hanging these beams on the pillars. The beams are going to connect two pillars at each point, to provide that base for the flyover road construction. From the look of things, I want to believe that the target of 18 months will be met. 18 months will be around ending of this year.